Watermelon juice. Now that it's summer, this refreshing drink is used throughout. He proceeds to cut it in half from both sides. 1, because his knife is too small. 2, because this watermelon is too large. He allows it to roll like a silly man. Then wraps it with an extraneous amount of plastic wrap. The remaining half he puts upside down to ensure a solid base and begins cutting. Again, because his knife is too small, he cuts half and flips it around. Continuing along the same cut lines, he cuts long wedges. And fans them out for the camera. But time to get to business. Using a paring knife, he takes a wedge, cuts it into a manageable slice, and places it so the smaller diameter is facing him, and then proceeds to cut the flesh. However, for watermelon juice, he does not want the rind. He merely wants the red flesh. He chops the flesh into smaller pieces and places it into a blender. Making short work of the flesh, it's time to blend. He's merely trying to make a pulpous juice. As he removes it, he pours it through a chinois strainer, which is merely French for Chinese, so a Chinese strainer. You can use any sort of strainer as long as it's fine mesh. You could also use a cheesecloth. He uses a spoon a little bit, however he does not want the extra cellulose in his juice, so try not to squeeze it. As evident, half a watermelon makes an extraordinary amount of juice. You may need a few bottles. He caps it. Then, using painter's tape, he writes something. Something for others to know. Watermelon juice. If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. And until next time, drink well.